When we come through, right there. All right, listen. All right, guys. So welcome to another one. This one's gonna be a little different than my normal JDM thing. Okay, I lied a little bit because there's a 33 cop car, which that's cool. But we're out here at the Moon Eyes event. So if you haven't been able to tell all the sparkly paint and everything else behind me, this is definitely gonna be just an absolute sick lowrider type of meet. So, I mean, you got like a 32 Highboy from SoCal Speed Shop. You got a bunch of really good cars tucked in there. And we literally, look at the lead sleds going by. We literally are gonna have cars up and down this block all the way. So, you know, and then a little Sprite or whatever that is. So, all right, guys, so this one, like I said, is a little different, but it's gonna be fun. You guys hang out, let me know what you think. I am definitely not gonna be the expert on all these cars out here today. So you guys drop those comments below if you see a specific car. Let everybody know what it is, because I probably am not gonna be the best at this one, but we're gonna go have some fun. All right. All right, guys, so we're gonna get out of here for the day. Well, at least for this spot. We're gonna head to another spot. He is all excited. He got himself some merch while we were here. Like I said at the beginning, this isn't one of my normal spots, but if you guys don't know, I enjoy everything that's car related. The JDM cars, of course, are where my heart is, and you know, that's where I do most of my stuff. But the opportunity came out to come and see all these lowriders. I mean, there was a mix. Hot rods, rat rods. I mean, what are the bombs, whatever they're called. All the different cars and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed something a little different. We're gonna get out of here and head to another one, or maybe not, because he just took a call. So, but we'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Check out my other videos, and we're gonna get going. Thanks.